Hi students, welcome to our video class. Today we will learn computer applications, practicals, exercise 4, PageMaker, creating a label. This is our fourth exercise, PageMaker, creating a label. Here the heading is wrong. No need to worry about this one. Just to change the heading, create a label using PageMaker. That is our heading. So this is wrong one. This heading is wrong. Just to change, creating a label. The aim is to create a label using PageMaker software. Here the given style is shown here. Create the following label using the PageMaker. Just we will create the label using the PageMaker in the given style. There are 14 steps are here. Let's now we will do it one by one. The first step is start the PageMaker using the following commands. Go to start button and then click all programs and then click Adobe and click PageMaker 7.0. Then finally click PageMaker 7.0. Let's now we will start it now. Just click the start button and then click all programs. Click all programs and then click Adobe. Then select PageMaker 7.0. Then select Adobe PageMaker 7.0. That is our first step. The software will be open here. Then second step is go to file. Choose the file and then click new menu or otherwise press Ctrl plus N in the keyboard. That is the shortcut key. Go to file and then click new option or otherwise select the click the shortcut key Ctrl plus N. Whatever you want, just to do it that. Now I click the new option here. This opens the document setup dialog box. Now appearing here, this is the document setup dialog box. After that, click OK button. Now a new document called Untitled One. Here the new document is named as Untitled One. It will appear on the screen. Fourth step, now you can change the measuring units from inches into millimeters. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இதில் வந்து மெஷரிங் வந்து இன்ச்சஸில் இருக்கும், அதை மில்லிமீட்டருக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா go to file, choose file option and then click preference. Then select general or otherwise using the control K for the shortcut key. We will use either or, this one or that one. If we using either menu or otherwise using the shortcut key. Click file and then click preference and then click general. Go to the file menu, click preference option and then select general menu or otherwise use shortcut key Ctrl plus K. Now here the preferences dialog box shown here. In this preferences dialog box, we change this inches into millimeters. Measurement in and the vertical ruler. The unit of these will be changed into millimeters. Then select millimeter and here also select millimeter. Then click OK button. Then fifth point, select the rectangle tool from the toolbox and draw a rectangle. This is toolbox and select the rectangle tool. This is the rectangle tool. Select this one and draw here one rectangle. Sixth point, using the control palette, the width and height value of the rectangle has to be set to 100 mm and 40 mm respectively. This is the control palette. To change the width of the value and the height of the rectangle value to 100 mm and 40 mm respectively. Now here the width of the rectangle value to change into 100 mm and the height of the rectangle is changed to 40 mm. After that, press enter key. The rectangle now looking like this. Then seventh point, choose the element and then select rounded corner from the menu bar. Go to the menu bar and select the element option and then select rounded corners. In this rounded corners style, just we select any one of the style. I select this one and click OK. Now all the four corners appearing now rounded here. This is rounded corner. Then 8th point, choose the required shape from the rounded corners dialog box. Now the rectangle appears with the rounded corners. Now here the rectangle appears shown in rounded corners. The 9th point, select the text tool in the toolbox and create the text block with the within the rectangle. Select the text tool. In this toolbox, select the text tool and create the text block within the rectangle. In the rectangle kulla nama oru text block draw pananum. Just to create the text block within the rectangle, rounded rectangle. Then now type the name. Here type the name and type the colon and give one tab space. Then press enter key. After that type the standard std and colon, give one tab space and then enter key. Then section, type the label is section and colon and give one tab space and then press enter key. Then next label name is school, then colon, give one tab space and enter key, and last label name is subject. Type the subject and colon, give one tab space and press enter key. After typing all the label name, just to select all the text using the text tool. Using this text tool, select all the label name. Then go to type menu and select indent and tabs, or otherwise using Ctrl+I. Set a right tab at the value 90 mm. Here set the value 90 mm and choose the dotted line style from the leader option. Select the leader option and choose dotted line. And using the position, add tab and then apply button. Here the dotted line is appearing here. Then finally click OK button. See here the dotted lines are appearing here. Now the required label is created here. This is our given input value. We got the expected output. This is our output label. Thank you, students.